Hey guys, today we got a fiberglass top. It's a Century T class. It's the 94 to 04 S10 with a 6-foot bed. It's in pretty decent shape. Older unit, but it is still in good shape. Pewter in color. It's pretty good down through here. Has some clear coat peel on the top. You go through here, see clear coat's peeling there. It's a little bit of a chip hole type thing right there in the top. Clear coat peel. Some stress cracks right there. Some more clear coat peel. Small stress cracks, a little bit of more peel. I mean, it really doesn't look bad, but from a distance, a little bit more clear coat peel on the edge there. No major damage to the fiberglass. Does have the single bay with the sliding window in the side. Picture window in the front. A little bit of a paint wear right there. Top here you can see the clear coat peeling. On the top edge. Get out there, a couple small minor chips. Small chips right there. Bottom edge looks good. This side, clear coat's peeling a little bit more. On this side, you can kind of see a lot of it there. It's all on that's all on the top. You can barely, you're not going to really see much of that. Well, some of this edge you'll see because it's on the side. A little bit of clear coat fade there. Bottom edge looks pretty good. No major damage there. Get down through here, we got some clear coat peel starting all the way through here. Small chip right there in the paint. Same thing on this side. We got the half sliders and the single bay window in the back. Double T-handle locking rear door. There's the serial number there. Inside has a little bit of a tear in the screen, kind of something slid against the edge of the screen there. Really not too awful bad. A couple small bad spots, but screens are in there. Windows slide open. You slide forward. This side, got a little bit of a hole there in the screen. One down a little lower here. If I can get, not sure where it went. There it is. Other than that, screen's in good shape there. There it is. It's the Century T series or T class. Fits the 94 to 04 S10 with the 6-foot bed, 76-inch bed. Burgundy. Pewter in color. They call it light pewter. Pewter in color. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is. You can purchase it online there, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done there. You can also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, things like that, those can all be purchased through there on our website as well. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. You can subscribe below to keep up to date on any new inventory because we upload it right away. And thanks for watching.